Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me, 'cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to Karrera Cafe. Today we're doing another live build session. We are building the NSX NA2 and we're doing the Marga Hills kit, the work wheels, Fitment air suspension along with the presses, air struts, and then we have some other goodies coming. Thank you so much to our sponsors again, Karrera Cafe. We have work wheels, we have Carporn Racing, we have Fitment Industries, we have Second Skin, Archie, Kyle, M-Track Batteries, and Motul Philippines. I hope I didn't miss anyone, but it's going to be an interesting session. This is the super fresh car that I have, and right behind it is all the parts that we're going to put on. Today we're going to do a complete dismantling first so that we can get a better overview of how the car looks, and then after that we're going to start slapping stuff on. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. The kit is a Japanese kit, but the car is an American car, so hopefully everything works out along the way. It's going to be interesting. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, and we'll keep you posted on anything that happens. Hopefully it's smooth as butter. I feel that we're gonna scratch the shit out of all these bolts.
So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it.
How are you? I'm a bit late once again.
Just telling Kyle, since we built the FTRX7 here and it was an accident car, it had damage on the front right. Now we have a pure, immaculate, pristine, never been touched, virgin. Like it's insane how clean this car is.
A while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hit it. Don't ever fall away. We can't leave them if we stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Oh yeah.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know or wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had acting like I was.
We work fast.
It's like day 4 or day 3.
If you notice, no one's talking to anyone else. Everyone's just working. That's how the team is so gelled. They know already. Even around the air suspension, you know, if we move forward, he'll move back and vice versa. So everything's like a well-oiled machine.
I like the vibe now. Not too hectic, but we're still working fast.
This is really day 1.
Yes, that's day one. But the best part is we're having fun. We're just laughing, trying to put it together. We should do this more often. No?
Yeah.
More live builds. We need to get more cars.
Part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
That's the motto. Throw back with no chaser, with no trouble. Popping that moe, baby, let's make some bubbles. Puffing on that gelato, wanna be seeing double. Gotta do what you gotta believe it. We ain't got no plans to leave it. Tell all of your friends to be here. We ain't gonna sleep all weekend. Oh, you know, that's the motto.
and bumper were so far, but we ended up putting the stock brace back with some modifications, and we have a front end. It's already 5:30. I gotta go. We're gonna leave the boys. They're gonna end at 6. We're gonna try to save some work for tomorrow, but lots of progress. A little adjustment here and there because fiberglass does move and each car body is different. But nonetheless, I think we had such a good time. We were trying to slow things down so people can see more work, and the kids from next door came by and everyone loves the car. So stay tuned. We're gonna be back tomorrow for more progress and updates.